Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get free promo codes for Uber. It's really simple and easy. First of all, just open up any browser. I'm going for Google Chrome here, and then in the search bar, search for this Uber promo codes. Tap on search, and then different website links will appear. All this website will provide you promo codes. So go ahead and select any of these. For instance, I'm going for this one here. The first one, grab on, tap on it. Once you open it, you are going to find tons of offers and deals. You can see that $25 off, 40% off, 5% cashback and all these things. You can just scroll and check. If interested any of this, you can click on it. Make sure you check the expiration date of the coupon code, whether it's valid or not. If it's valid, just click on it. So here is the code. You can simply copy it by simply tapping on copy code and then head towards the website of Uber, book your ride, and while you check out, apply this code and get discount. Likewise, you can also try out another offer. Also, you can go through these websites, and these websites will also provide you working promo codes for Uber. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.